Hello, today I will show you how I engrave this glass using the Ortur Laser Master 3 and the X Tool RA2 Pro Rotary. First we clean the glass. To remove any grease and fingerprints, I use acetone for this. Then I spray the working area with matte black paint. This helps the laser to burn into the glass. Be careful not to use very high power with slow movement, as this can shatter the glass. Before engraving, I had to measure the circumference of the glass, then I scaled my vector to match the size of my work area. My settings in Lightburn were speed 4000, power 35, angle 0, and DPI 317.5. As you can see, there are a lot of small details in this engraving. All I have to do now is clean off the paint with some thinners and a cloth. The design was made by using Google to find 9 images. I then converted all 9 into vector using Lightburn. I then arranged them into a design that I like. If you enjoyed this short video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.